Welcome guys, welcome back to Common Accounting Term All Business. Now we are going to see stock. Okay, what is the stock? The stock is the financial instrument that represent the part ownership of a company. The organization use this instrument to raise the capital for their business. For example, the big company, they need money. What they are going to do? They are going to sell the stock. Okay, they are going to sell the stock means the people will going to purchase, correct? That means what is going to happen? That company capital is rising. Okay, the company's capital is rising means that company they will use for the business purpose. So that means that company is going to grow. Okay, like an instrument, like that is they call the instrument for this stock. This is for they are using for the shareholders to grow the company. Even though it is coming the profit, they are going to dividend something to the shareholders. So stock is like that only. This is increasing the rising the capital. Okay, thank you guys. We will see for another example.